Hi, I'm Ronald.
And I'm Miriam.
We are from Belgium and we have been enjoying Vietnam, especially the northern part, over the last week or so with our guide, our sympathetic and very professional guide, Mr. Thong. We're actually happy to find out online about Vivutravel, and we are actually surprised how good it was so far. The website is very well designed, as you might find out, but especially the guiding tours are just fantastic, professional, much better even than what we're thinking about initially. Of course, we have seen only Hanoi, the northern part of the country. We are now pretty close to the Chinese border, and I must say our tour guide, Mr. Tong, is really doing his best, and he is using options, depending on our availabilities and our what we can do actually, And he's really doing a good job, to put us at ease and give us all the information we can get. So we are looking forward for the rest of the trip.
So we do like the Vietnamese people. They are really all very kind, colorful dressed. We love it here.
Looking forward for more, absolutely.